Divine's Blessing, Divine's Love Seminar. I'm AMRITA VIMALA. Raja Yoga Meditation's third principle is yoga. First two, I'll give a descriptions box. In yoga, four things are there. There is Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga and Kriya Yoga. Karma Yoga is not limited to spiritual setting. It can be practiced in our daily routine life. First, at work, focus on doing a task with full attention without seeking any recognitions or worrying about the results. At home, perform daily responsibility to your family with care and love without expecting appreciations in return. How to practice Karma Yoga in our daily life? First, list your daily routine work in home, office work, business work, and take care of the family members. Perform without expecting anything in return. Important, identify your duty in your relationships. Second, prioritizing the work. Reflect on the significations of your contributions to each role. This helps in allotting your time and energy more effectively. Is Karma Yoga suitable for a busy life? Yes, definitely. Karma Yoga fits suitably into any busy routine. Practice in your daily routine works. It is a perfectly relevant tool for today's fast-paced lives or speed life. Second is Bhakti Yoga. Bhakti Yoga is spiritual path of pure devotion, love and surrender to divine. That is, listening to sacred scriptures or story about the divine, chanting mantras, singing devotional songs with a group of people. It gives full energy to us. Next is constant remembering. That is, constant remembering means while doing any work, trust divine is doing this work. Next one is serving the feet of God. Serving the feet of God means selfless service or charity. Next is very important, prayer. Sincere prayer heals us. Very important is friendship and self-surrender. Friendship is interacting with divine trusted friends. Last one is self-surrender. Completely surrendering divine plan. Yoga is Jnana Yoga. Is a classical path to achieve spiritual liberations through wisdom and self-inquiry. This Jnana Yoga has four principles. First one is Viveka, second is renunciation, third one is the six virtues, fourth is longing for liberation. Viveka means knowledge, the ability to distinguish between what is the internal, that is divine, and what is unreal or temporary, that is Maya. Second is renunciation, a state of detachment from the material life. Third is the six virtues. This six virtues has six mental qualities that stabilize the mind. First is inner peace, second is self-control, third is forbearance, there is patience, fourth is faith, fifth is focus, and sixth is withdrawal of the senses. And last of Jnana Yoga is longing for liberation. It means a sincere burning desire for spiritual freedom. Fourth of yoga is Kriya Yoga. Kriya Yoga is a spiritual and meditative technology that accelerates personal development by using controlling breath, that is breathing exercise. Next is meditation and mental focus to balance the body's life force. Very important in Kriya Yoga. It reduces stresses, enhanced focus, emotional balance, immunity will increase, better sleep, inner peace, and self-realization. My humble and heartfelt thanks to you all. God will shower all blessing to all. Thank you.